Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to connect your Zebra printer to your computer. First, carefully unbox your new Zebra printer and remove all internal and external packing materials. Next, connect the power cable securely to the printer and then plug it into a reliable wall outlet. Finally, take the USB cable provided with your printer and connect one end to the printer's USB port and the other end to an available USB port on your computer. This physical connection is the crucial first step. Once your printer is physically connected, the next step is to install the necessary drivers. Visit the official Zebra website and navigate to the support section to download the specific drivers for your printer model. Ensure you select the correct operating system. After downloading, run the installation wizard, typically by double-clicking the executable file. Follow the simple on-screen prompts, accepting the license agreement, and choosing the default installation path. This process usually takes only a few minutes. With the drivers installed, it's time to configure and test your printer. Open your computer's devices and printers or printers and scanner settings to locate your newly installed Zebra printer. Right-click on the printer and select Printer Properties or Printing Preferences. From there, you can print a test page to confirm successful communication. You can also adjust various settings like label dimensions, print darkness, or print speed, ensuring optimal performance for your specific needs. If you encounter any issues, don't worry, troubleshooting is often straightforward. First, double-check all your cable connections, ensuring they are firmly seated at both ends. A simple restart of both your computer and the printer can resolve many common glitches. If problems persist, consider reinstalling the printer drivers, making sure to download the latest version. For more complex issues, the Zebra support website or your printer's user manual are excellent resources for detailed diagnostic steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.